Welcome to Aviary, Orlando Jeep Club trial run on our official first day of training. Jeepin with Judd 2023. I'm Matt.
And I'm Randy.
And we're about to go ride the Aviary, one of the stock trails for Jeepin with Judd. This is a pretty easy trail. It's stock friendly, so if you just bought your Jeep and you want to put it through a little bit of test, this is one step above the ranch trail. So we're going to go out and check it out. This is full of birds, a little bit of off-camberness, a little bit of trail riding. You might even see some gators.
Is a beautiful trail.
I totally could see that it was. That's good. I let Janet know about that earlier.
This is an off-camber, hilly, bumpy area. What this was at one time was what they call a slurry pond. It was a place where they dumped all the stuff they didn't use when they were doing the mining. Clear Springs Ranch at one time was a phosphate mine, and what was left over was a little bit of sand, a little bit of clay, and a little bit of lime rock, and they dumped it out into these areas with a big conveyor belt. That's why it's all undulated. But today, it's a active cattle ranch, and it makes for some really great Jeep trails. Just addressing the wind issue, it is an extremely windy day. I may try to put the drone up even though it's very, very windy. So my apologies in advance for the sound of the wind. We tried putting the dead cat microphone on top of this a couple weeks ago, and it was blowing so much that it kept getting into the camera. Did I mention this is an active cattle ranch? That area is called the ridge that we just went through, and now we're going through some lower lands where all the water and birds are. You'll see birds back there on that ridge, but that ridge was created so that the drag links, which were huge pieces of machinery, could move up and down to get to the different areas that they were mining. few things that are required for Jeepin with Judd. One, seatbelts have to be worn at all times by everybody in a vehicle. Two, it's really good if you have a CB, because then you'll hear what's going on, especially if somebody's giving a little bit of a backstory about a trail. Also, make sure that you stay in your Jeep at all times unless you're assisting the person behind you with a recovery. Do not get out and take pictures. These are just simple housekeeping things that we have to address every year. This is gonna be our 6th year of volunteering with the Orlando Jeep Club for Jeepin with Judd. So that's Aviary, a stock-friendly ride. Bumpy a little bit. Got some birds, some gators, some cows, and it is definitely a scenic and a wonderful ride. Thanks for joining us. I'm Matt.
And I'm Randy.
And we're at Jeepin with Judd, doing some trail training with the Orlando Jeep Club. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We appreciate it. If you're coming out to Judd this year, we look forward to seeing you. If you see us in the lineup, stop and say hi. We'll talk to you later.